In this video, we listed the 5 best smart blenders for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name Vitamix 5200 Blender. The Vitamix 5200 blender is a powerful, professional-grade blender known for its durability, high-performance motor, and versatile design, fitting well with users interested in premium kitchen appliances. This model comes equipped with a large 64-ounce container suited for both family-sized and single-portion blending. The self-cleaning feature simplifies maintenance, just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and the blender cleans itself in 30 to 60 seconds. The Vitamix 5200 offers variable speed control to achieve a wide range of textures, from smooth purees to chunky blends, making it a strong choice for blending anything from smoothies to hot soups. Its robust stainless steel blades can handle tough ingredients like nuts and ice, and the consistent results make it appealing to anyone with high standards for home-cooked food preparation. Product 2. Product name Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender is a powerful kitchen appliance that fits well with a home chef's toolkit, especially for those interested in versatile and efficient food prep tools. It features a robust 1400 peak watt motor and AutoIQ technology with pre-programmed functions, making it suitable for creating smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream effortlessly. With its 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, this blender is ideal for making large batches, whether for families or gatherings, and can blend ingredients to a smooth consistency, even with tough items like ice and frozen fruits. The blender's 3 functions, smoothies, ice cream, and frozen drinks, and the dark gray finish add a modern touch to the kitchen. Its powerful blades and large pitcher can handle a variety of tasks beyond beverages, like preparing dips, dressings, and sauces, making it a great addition to the user's collection of kitchen appliances and baking tools. With an easy-to-clean design and high durability, the Ninja BN701 is practical for regular use in busy households. Product 3. Product name Professional Blender for Smoothies. The Professional Blender for Smoothies, 2024 edition, upgraded and improved model, by PRASKY is designed for versatile kitchen use, providing powerful performance and convenience. This blender grinder combo is equipped with a 2400W motor, or 1000W for grinding tasks, capable of achieving speeds up to 25,000 RPM. It's engineered to handle heavy-duty tasks like ice crushing and offers the smooth blending required for silky smoothies, thanks to its high-speed and durable blade system. A spacious 68-ounce BPA-free container accommodates large quantities, ideal for family-sized servings or batch prepping. An additional second container caters to smaller tasks, enhancing its versatility. The PRASKY blender's upgraded model offers better durability and an improved user interface, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned chefs. With features like juice and smoothie presets, this appliance streamlines preparation, particularly for those interested in daily smoothie routines, juicing, and grinding tasks. Product 4. Product name Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender is a versatile appliance tailored for preparing shakes and smoothies. With a durable 40-ounce glass jar, it provides ample space for a family-sized serving. Its 700-watt motor and ice saber blades are designed to handle even tough ingredients like ice, ensuring a consistently smooth blend for every recipe. This model offers 14 blending functions, giving users flexibility in creating everything from frozen drinks to purees. The wave action system is a standout feature, as it continuously pulls mixtures down toward the blades for smoother, lump-free results. The stainless steel and black finish adds a modern, kitchen-friendly aesthetic, while the sturdy design of the glass jar can withstand high temperatures, making it a suitable option for blending hot ingredients. Product 5. Product name Black Plus Decker 10 Speed Countertop Blend. The Black Plus Decker 10 Speed Countertop Blender, Model BL2010BG, is a versatile and reliable kitchen tool well suited to various blending tasks, complementing a range of culinary appliances. Equipped with a 10-speed control, this blender provides flexibility for tasks ranging from simple smoothies to more intensive blending, making it suitable for users who appreciate control over their mixing and pureeing. Its 6-cup glass jar is both durable and dishwasher safe, simplifying cleaning and making it ideal for frequent use. The blender also features a stainless steel blade that offers longevity and efficiency in chopping, blending, and crushing ice, adding to its utility in households where reliable, high-performance kitchen appliances are valued. Product 6. Product name: Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce Countertop Blender. The Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce Countertop Blender is a high-powered, 1000-watt blender designed to blend smoothies, crush ice, and process frozen fruits with ease. This model features Ninja's total crushing technology, enabling its blades to break down ingredients quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for those who enjoy smoothies, iced drinks, or need robust blending for meal prep. Its 72-ounce pitcher offers a large capacity, catering well to family-sized portions or meal prep batches. The Ninja BL610 is particularly relevant in kitchen settings where powerful, efficient blending is needed, whether it's for making creamy, smooth textures or breaking down tough ingredients. Given your interest in kitchen tools, this blender's durable construction and effective performance for ice crushing and frozen fruit blending add value as a versatile kitchen appliance. Product 7. Product name: the nutribullet SmartSense Blender Combo. The nutribullet SmartSense Blender Combo is a versatile, high-powered kitchen appliance that offers a combination of blending options to accommodate a wide range of culinary needs. This 5-speed blender operates on a robust 1400-watt motor, providing powerful performance for smooth blending, chopping, and pureeing. Its SmartSense technology is designed to intuitively detect and adjust speed and blending power based on the ingredients, optimizing the texture and consistency of smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. The SmartSense Blender Combo's design prioritizes both power and ease of use, fitting seamlessly into a kitchen equipped with baking tools and household kitchen appliances for preparing diverse dishes. The blender's sleek black finish adds a modern aesthetic to kitchen countertops, complementing other contemporary appliances.